Hi, this is Sean Deuby, Technical Director for Windows IT Pro, and I have with me today my colleague Mike Otey, Senior Technical Director for Windows IT Pro.
Well, hi there. Great to be here.
We're here today to talk about the HP Smart Bundles for Microsoft Hyper-V, solution that HP and Microsoft have collaboratively designed to solve some problems for small businesses that want to get into virtualization, and depending on where they want to go further on down the road. Mike, do you want to say a little bit about what the bundles are and what problem they're trying to solve?
Sure thing. The HP Smart Bundles are really designed for businesses that aren't experts in virtualization. A lot of small businesses, they've heard about virtualization, they'd like to implement it, but they don't often have a lot of expertise. Many of these businesses have only one or two IT guys, and these guys, they're kind of, they do everything. And so they can't always be experts in virtualization. And when it comes to designing systems to support their workloads, they may not know what to do. And this is even true when you get into larger systems where you have to design and scale the system. Businesses don't always have the expertise to do these things. And that's where the Smart Bundles come in. Smart Bundles are designed for small and medium-sized businesses that don't always have the expertise to do what a company like HP or Microsoft could do when they design it. And that's what the Smart Bundles are. They're designed by HP and Microsoft, and they are 3 different sizes of configurations that are meant towards different sizes of businesses. Do you want to talk a little bit about what some of those are?
Sure. They really, as you say, they come in 3 different scales, and from simple to very powerful and highly available. The first is called the Essential Tower Smart Bundle, which is a ProLiant ML350 Gen 8 server, and it's got a bunch of memory in it. It's got 16 gig of memory and 6 450 gig SAS 15K RPM drives. It's direct attached storage, and a 2-port gig Ethernet controller. And as far as software goes, it's running Windows Server 2012 Standard, which gives you the ability to have what Microsoft calls virtual operating system environments, or VMs. And the hardware is actually capable of 4 to 8 VMs, but because it's Windows Server 2012 Standard, to have more than 2 licensed properly, you would have to have a Windows Server 2012 data center. And
Great point. Yeah, good to know for small businesses especially.
Exactly. And then HP Insight Control is the management software, which provides server deployment, monitoring, control, and power management for the Smart Bundle. So this particular Smart Bundle does not have any high availability or fault tolerance.
Right. And the next one up is a rack configuration. I think it's called the Essential Rack, and it's a 2-node system. Now the one you talked about, the tower, it was a floor standing system, really meant for smaller businesses. And now we step up a notch into the rack mounted system, and this is a 2-node system that's running HP DL360 Gen 8s. And this system is configurable, and it comes with the Data Center Edition, and it is pre-configured with a Windows failover cluster. So you get high availability in this middle tier configuration that HP is offering in their Smart Bundle lineup.
Right. This got a ton of storage on it too, because this is it's an HP P2000 modular smart array. It's got 12 300 gig 10K RPM SAS drives, so it's 3.6 terabyte before you start configuring RAID or anything else on that. And there's one final solution. I think we'll save that for another visit. The scalable rack HA Smart Bundle for Microsoft Hyper-V. So thanks, Mike. Thanks for this overview, and I will talk with you shortly.
Awesome. See you next time.